Hey guys, today I'm going to review an unbox QHMPL joystick. It's a blue color joystick, USB joystick. Okay, as you can see, it's plug and play. It's 12 function keys, which has the turbo and clear mode. These are the minimum system requirements. It requires a CPU of 166 megahertz or above, a RAM of 256 MB or above, and a USB 2 interface. Windows 98, 2000 XP, Windows 7. I'm sure it will also work on Windows 10. So the requirements, as you see, are very minimal, and I'm sure that most of the people, or maybe not just most, all of you might be having a PC stronger than this requirement mentioned here. Okay, so I got it for around 400 bucks through Flipkart. Okay, so let's open it. The packing was not that good. I mean, this flap came out very easily. Not sure if it was opened earlier by someone. So let's see what we get inside the box. So this is the cardboard page which was there at the back. It comes with the installation CD. Okay, next the joystick. Let's open it. Okay, here it goes, blue in color, and as you can see, on the lines of PS4 joystick, maybe having this 4 direction buttons, 2 sticks, 4 buttons over here, then a turbo, clear, auto. Okay, it's good to hold too. I mean, it's really a steal deal for 400 bucks. If you are getting this on this price range, I think that you should really go ahead with this purchase if budget is your constraint. Even the buttons and all look to be comfortable. We'll need to check it, how it plays when we are using it during games. We'll do that in some time. Okay guys, so let's connect this joystick to my laptop and see how we can play with it.